Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. So today I'm here to teach you one story, interesting story about the three billy goats. That three billy goats means the three male goats, and I have told you in this story we have the five characters like storytellers, middle goat, then big goats, small goats, and troll. So small billy goats, middle billy goats, and big billy goats, the all three goats are very hungry, and every time they are eating a lots of grass. In fact, they have finished all the grass nearby the river, and after that they become very hungry and they wants to eat lots of grass. And there was a grass over the bridge, but they can't go over the bridge because on a bridge there was a evil creature, stranger who lived on a bridge. So, and he was very hungry and he wants to eat lots of grass. And then the goats decided that we will go over the bridge and then we can eat the grass. Then he had made all the goats made the plans to that how we can go. Then first of all the small goat decided, and he went. Then the trolls listened the sound that goat is coming. Then he just came and he asked that why you came here. I am also hungry and I want to eat. Then the small billy goat said that please let me go, I am very hungry. And after that middle billy goat is coming. He is very fat, so that you can eat that goat, so please let me go. Then the troll left him and leave him, so that leave the small billy goats, and the small went to the bridge. Then he is waiting for the fat middle sized goat. Then what happened, you can just see that what happened. Then the middle sized billy goat went on to the bridge. The troll again came on the bridge. Troll, what's that trip trapping over my bridge? Then he is saying, what's the sound is coming on my bridge? Then the middle billy goat said, it's me, I'm the middle billy goat. Please let me go over the bridge. I'm just middle-sized billy goat. Crossed and went back under the bridge. He waited for the very fat billy. So I'm just middle-sized billy goat. Goat is coming, big goat is coming. He's very fat. Don't eat me and eat him. Then the middle goat again he said that I am the middle billy goat. Please let me go over the bridge because I am very hungry and I want to eat the grass. Then he said the middle billy said that the big billy goat is coming. You can eat that goat because he's very fat. So please let me go. Whenever the male goat, the big goat will come, you can eat him. Then storyteller said, the troll was very hungry. He wanted to eat lots of grass and lots of goats and lots of goats. So he let the middle-sized also, and he waited. And then the middle billy goat crossed and went back under the bridge. He waited for the very fat big billy goat to come. Then the big billy goat went on the bridge. The troll jumped up. Then after the storyteller said that the troll feels very hungry because he wants to eat lots of grass, but he left the but he just allow him the middle class or middle billy goat also, and he left the smallest goat also. Then he decided that then he just leave him the middle goat. Then he just requested him to please let me go. Then he just left him the middle sized grass, and then he went back under the bridge. Then again he just waiting for the big goat. And then troll, what's that trip dropping over my bridge? Then troll said that, what's that the sound the trip trapping over my bridge? Then big belly goat, it's me, the big belly goat. Please let me go over the bridge. I'm big and fat and very hungry. Then the big belly said that, it's me, I'm the big belly goat. Please let me go because I'm big, I'm fat and I'm also very hungry. Then troll, I'm very hungry too and I'm going to eat you. Then troll said that, I'm also very hungry and I also want to go eat you, so I'm going to eat you. Then storyteller, the troll stood on the bridge, but the big belly god put his head down and ran at the troll. He hit the troll bump. The troll fell in the river splash and he never came out again. Then the storyteller said that the troll, he just stood on the bridge. Then the big belly put his head down and ran in on at the troll, and the big belly also hit him from the head in his bump, so that the troll, he just fell down into the river and splash the sound came, and after that he will never came out again from the river. So this plan has made the all three billy goats. So it's a very interesting story. I hope you guys understood the story. So I will give you few words related from this chapter so that you can find out their meaning from the dictionary, and I hope you guys understood the chapter. So enjoy the weather and enjoy the online classes also. Thank you. And for the word meaning, for the homework, you just watch the next videos. Thank you.